Welcome back to my channel. This is Al, and today we have another cleaning session. For this time we are gonna use the liquid cleaner and the sponge. I wanted to clean the mirror because it's super dirty and I wanted to get rid of all the dirt. So we are gonna use the sponge against the glass, and we are gonna make sure to leave the mirror super clean. We are gonna clean in circular motions from top to bottom till the mirror is super clean. We need to make sure if we need more liquid cleaner we have to use till the mirror is super clean. So we are gonna press from one side to the other, from left to the right, till the mirror is super clean. I make sure to leave it super clean because I love to have my mirror super clean. Well, don't forget this video is for educational purposes only, and if you wanna get to know me more, don't forget to check the link on the description. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to put thumbs up and see you in my